Hello everybody, how are we doing today? Great to see you. So today we are at Aber Falls, darling, aren't we?
We are, so we're going to see a beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, we got a little one with us as well. Say hi, Leo.
His hair's all wild.
It is. You had a good hair wash last night, didn't you, mister? You did. Look at that smile.
So yeah, so shall we follow the path?
Yes, follow the yellow brick road as they say in Wizards of Oz, isn't it, darling?
Yeah, we're following the yellow trail.
Yeah.
So let's go and have a look at a beautiful waterfall, guys.
Yes, indeed. All right, so without further ado, let's get on.
So yeah, very muddy path by the way, guys. Aber Falls is said to be one of Wales' most dramatic waterfalls. This stunning waterfall attracts over 50,000 visitors a year and is popular in all seasons.
The river plummets dramatically from a height of 120 feet, crashing into a shallow rocky pool before continuing towards the nearby village.
The gentle uphill path to the falls is about 1.5 miles long and is accessible for those in a wheelchair or with pushchairs. There are plenty of places along the way to stop and admire the view or enjoy a picnic.
Alternatively, there is a cafe nearby. However, we didn't have time to visit on this occasion as we were pushed for time. It was on this bit I decided to have a bit of fun and start being silly a bit, and Beck was quite amused by this, watching it. And then I started pulling faces at her. I thought she was going to hit me one, but so that's why I was running pretty quickly there. It really is such a beautiful scenery, you know, the water. It just makes it all. We love our streams and things like that, and that's all powered by the waterfall, you know, nature's greatest engineering, as they say. So now we're just walking onwards and we find this little map here. It's really good. We were here and up we climbed. Hello. Ladies and gents, Aber Falls.
Here we are, guys. So yeah, there it is. We're going to get a bit closer so you can have a little look.
Hello guys, so we hope you've enjoyed this video of Aber Falls as much as we have filming it.
Yeah, it's been a lovely walk.
It has been.
Takes about half an hour to get there.
Yeah, half an hour back.
So yeah, so if you are thinking of coming, £5 parking, half an hour there, half an hour back.
Should be cheaper.
So yeah, we've really enjoyed it, guys, and we're off to my hospital appointment now because I've got a scan.
That's
it,
guys.
baby.
So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.